How to use pointers in Go language, and previously we have seen in this series of GoLang how to imports, how to declare a global variable, how to declare a local variable within the method, global variable defined outside the method, how to use if conditions, how to use for conditions. Then we have seen how to declare arrays, how to declare constants, how to declare functions, and how to call these functions as well. We have seen how to define constants. Now today we'll see how to use pointers. Okay, pointers is supported in GoLang. It is not supported in Java. So let's see how the pointers we can access. So it's similar to how do we declare a variable. So var g, and if I'll call this as a type of int, and I'll initialize it with 10. Now I'll declare a pointer variable as well. So for defining a pointer variable, so which will store typically the address of memory, we need to use star. Okay, now if I need to print the address of this g, so I'll call fmt dot printf address of g, how I'll print with x, and I'll terminate the line. And this is very important, how do you call it? So this keyword you need to remember, okay, which used for and as well. Now if you need, since we have defined a pointer type variable, we need to store the address of some variable. So I'll store the address. So pointer is nothing but the address of in the memory location of a given variable. Okay, so that we can access using the pointers. So pointer gives you flexibility over the feature using which you can address the memory location. So typically when we use the variable, we access its values, but if you need to know the address of it, that all we can do with the pointer. So call by value and call by reference. So call by value, if we just pass the variable, and if we pass the address of it, then it will be called by reference or memory. Okay, so there are two types of call. The Go supports both call by value functions and call by memory address as well. So if you will change anything in the address of memory location, then the value automatically will be changed. So now let's printf and address stored in this that we can print with value of x slash n comma this. Okay, now if you need to access the value, then I can call like fmt dot printf value stored in, that we will access with d slash n comma like this. So this will give the address of this g, and the value of g, which is 10, should be printed with the help of this. So we have seen how we can access the memory. So address of g, this at line number 77, address of g 14000112C008, and you can see when I have assigned this address to this address another pointer variable, its address, and I have printed it, both are same. Okay, now I can access the value stored in this g with the help of this pointer variable that I have printed here. So 2-3 things important to remember: how to declare a pointer variable, how to access the memory address with the help of this AND, okay, how to get the address, and how to get the value of it, and this will be useful in case of call by reference in the method. Okay, so that's all from today. And if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video, and if you need to know anything on GoLang, please write in the comment section. We'll create the videos of those for those as well. This tutorial is created or made from the point of view of beginners, and will go till advanced level as well. So thank you so much for watching today's video.